5-4-3-2-1 We have liftoff. It has been a long time since NASA launched the Explorer 1 spacecraft into the solar system. Though the spacecraft only lasted 5 years, it continues to journey through uncharted parts of the universe. Recently, this extraordinary spacecraft has begun transmitting strange data back to NASA, leaving many top scientists puzzled. Today, we'll delve into some of the unusual information coming from Explorer 1. The Explorer program began in August 1977, when NASA launched Explorer 2 to explore Jupiter and Saturn before moving on to Uranus and Neptune. Shortly after, its twin Explorer 1 was launched as well. The two spacecraft were nearly identical, each weighing about the same as a small car. The key to this mission was launching the spacecraft at precisely the right moment. In 1977, NASA saw a unique opportunity, as the planets of interest were perfectly aligned for efficient exploration. During this window, the spacecraft could travel from one planet to the next with minimal detour. However, NASA intentionally added a 16-day gap so the two spacecraft would follow slightly different paths. In December 1977, months after its launch, Explorer 1 passed by its twin. Despite being launched later, Explorer 1 became one of NASA's most important tools for making groundbreaking discoveries. In 1978, it began sending Jovian images back to Earth when it was approximately 265 million kilometers from our planet. The following year, the spacecraft spent over 100 hours capturing nearly 4,000 images of Jupiter, helping to create the first time-lapse of the gas giant's rotation. A month later, it became the first spacecraft to detect Jupiter's rings and 2 new moons. Its next mission took it to Saturn, where it had to slightly adjust its course to avoid a collision with Titan, one of Saturn's largest moons. While orbiting Saturn, Explorer 1 discovered 4 moons and sent back new images of the ringed planet. After this, NASA decided to end the Explorer 1 mission, while Explorer 2 continued its journey toward the icy planets Uranus and Neptune, becoming the first spacecraft to reach them. Explorer 1, however, began its journey beyond our solar system, officially starting the Explorer interstellar mission in 1990, at a distance of about 6 billion kilometers from the Sun. During this time, Explorer 1 sent back astonishing images of various planets, even capturing the first family portrait of the solar system. By then, the spacecraft had taken over 67,000 photos, and NASA no longer needed its cameras. As a result, NASA shut down Explorer 1's cameras to conserve power. In 1998, at a distance of 10.3 billion kilometers from the Sun, Explorer 1 passed the Trailblazer 10 spacecraft, which had previously held the title of the farthest man-made object from Earth. Now, that title belonged to Explorer 1, and it continued to extend its lead as it traveled deeper into interstellar space. Although its cameras had been turned off, NASA still maintained communication with the spacecraft, using its remaining instruments. In 2012, Explorer 1 officially left the solar system, although NASA did not publicly announce this achievement until 2013. At that point, it was moving away from the Sun at 61.7 kilometers per hour. Its sister spacecraft, Explorer 2, would not leave the solar system until 2018, by which time Explorer 1 was 14.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. Despite its advanced distance from Earth, Explorer 1 continued to send valuable data back to NASA, revealing more about the space beyond our solar system. However, recently, the spacecraft has begun transmitting strange signals that have left scientists baffled. These odd signals are difficult to decipher, and it appears that the spacecraft is unsure of its exact location. It was pre-programmed to send an alert if it ever went off course, and while these confusing signals haven't triggered the alarm, they are still unusual. The spacecraft's antenna is reportedly in excellent condition, and it continues to communicate with NASA regularly, but the signals it is sending are now less reliable. At present, Explorer 1 is still capable of receiving commands from Earth and executing them in interstellar space. The spacecraft was designed to study the cosmos in the 70s, a testament to NASA's visionary technology. Despite all the strange data being sent back, NASA believes the signals don't accurately represent what's happening on board the spacecraft. One intriguing feature of all NASA spacecraft is the gold-plated disc they carry. This disk contains special sounds and video messages in case the spacecraft ever encounters extraterrestrial life. It includes more than 35 unique Earth sounds, images of daily life on Earth, over an hour of Western popular music, and greetings from various former U.S. presidents, all translated into 55 different languages to increase the chances of extraterrestrial beings understanding them. Since 2022, NASA has dismissed theories that Explorer 1 might be under the control of extraterrestrials. The spacecraft has several safety protocols that would activate if it were ever in danger, but these protocols have never been triggered. Furthermore, Explorer 1's antenna continues to point toward Earth, which makes the strange signals even more puzzling. The spacecraft has never transmitted such incomprehensible signals before, even when it was in similar conditions. So, why is it sending these unusual messages now, especially when it's so far from Earth? According to NASA's project manager for the Explorer mission, this behavior is typical for a spacecraft as old as Explorer 1. After more than 45 years in space, it is currently a record-breaking 23.6 billion kilometers, or about 157.5 astronomical units, from the Sun. As the spacecraft travels farther, communication between it and Earth becomes increasingly difficult. The distance between them causes signals to weaken, and repairs are not possible, as no spacecraft is capable of reaching this remote location to conduct a salvage mission. Moreover, two-way communication has become much slower, with messages now taking about 2 days to travel from NASA's communication station to the spacecraft. This increased distance and slower communication have significantly raised the risk of mishaps or accidents. Despite all of this, NASA remains optimistic that they will be able to address the issues Explorer 1 is facing and continue receiving valuable data about interstellar space. The immense distance between the spacecraft and Earth means that any communication is delayed, and the challenges of maintaining contact grow larger with every passing year. Explorer 1, NASA's pioneering spacecraft, continues its solitary journey through the vast expanse of interstellar space, serving not only as a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and exploration but also as a vital scientific tool that challenges our understanding of the universe. Launched over 4 decades ago, it has far outlasted its original mission objectives and continues to provide valuable data, although the day will inevitably come when it can no longer communicate with Earth. As time passes, the likelihood of an unexpected malfunction increasing the risk of mission failure grows. But for now, Explorer 1 has defied expectations, enduring the harsh conditions of space. Designed and built in the 1970s, Explorer 1 was equipped with technology far less advanced than what we have today. Yet, it has withstood the extreme radiation, temperature fluctuations, and the immense vacuum of deep space. Its rugged design and durable systems have allowed it to continue functioning, sending data back from a distance of over 23 billion kilometers. Its scientific contributions have been extraordinary, from detailed images of Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere to the discovery of complex ring structures around Saturn. These findings have deepened our knowledge of the outer planets and their moons, sparking the imaginations of future space explorers and scientists. One of the most significant milestones in Explorer 1's mission was its entry into interstellar space, making it the first human-made object to travel beyond the influence of our Sun. This landmark achievement, officially confirmed by NASA in 2013, marked the beginning of a new era of exploration that stretches our reach beyond the confines of our solar system. Even now, the spacecraft continues to send back data from this distant region, offering insights into the conditions of interstellar space. Although Explorer 1's instruments are aging, they remain operational, gathering important data on magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and plasma densities in the interstellar medium. These transmissions provide crucial insights into the dynamics of the galaxy and help refine scientific models of star and planetary system interactions across vast distances. Recently, however, some anomalies have emerged in the data, including unexpected changes in signal strength and unexplained bursts of noise. These irregularities have sparked speculation among researchers, with theories ranging from interference to potential malfunctions in Explorer 1's aging systems. One of the prevailing mysteries involves the spacecraft's navigational capabilities. Despite being equipped with a powerful communication antenna, Explorer 1 has shown moments of uncertainty in its navigation and positioning. This has led to instances where its signals do not align perfectly with expected trajectories, complicating efforts to decode the information. NASA's Deep Space Network, responsible for communicating with Explorer 1 and other deep space missions, continues to monitor and analyze each transmission, working to understand the cause of these anomalies and extend the spacecraft's operational life as long as possible. Beyond its scientific mission, Explorer 1 carries a symbolic payload, a golden record meticulously crafted to showcase the diversity and essence of life on Earth to any potential extraterrestrial intelligence that might encounter it. This record includes a curated selection of sounds, images, and greetings from Earth's cultures, offering a snapshot of humanity's collective achievements and aspirations. Although the likelihood of Explorer 1 encountering intelligent life is exceedingly small, the record serves as a symbol of humanity's desire to connect with other civilizations and contribute to the boundlessness of the universe. As Explorer 1 ventures further into interstellar space, its transmissions become increasingly difficult to detect and interpret due to the vast distances involved. The signals now take over 21 hours to reach Earth, making real-time communication impossible. Instead, scientists must wait for each data packet to arrive, piecing together a comprehensive understanding of the spacecraft's environment and performance. Despite these inherent challenges, NASA remains committed to supporting Explorer 1's mission for as long as its systems allow. The legacy of Explorer 1 extends far beyond its immediate scientific accomplishments. It stands as a testament to humanity's enduring spirit of exploration and curiosity. The spacecraft's journey exemplifies our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our enduring fascination with the universe's mysteries. Its success highlights the importance of long-term planning and innovation in space exploration, with the lessons learned from its design, development, and operational longevity informing future missions. In the decades since its launch, Explorer 1 has become a cultural icon, symbolizing human achievement and inspiring awe and wonder about the vastness of space. The images and data returned by the spacecraft have sparked countless minds and fueled scientific inquiry, underscoring the profound impact of space exploration on our understanding of the universe. As we celebrate Explorer 1's accomplishments and contemplate its future, we are reminded of the boundless potential that lies beyond our earthly horizon. The spacecraft's ongoing mission continues to inspire new generations of scientists, engineers, and visionaries to push the boundaries of what is possible and explore new frontiers of knowledge. In conclusion, Explorer 1 remains a remarkable example of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the unyielding quest for discovery. Its continuing mission symbolizes the spirit of exploration that drives us to reach beyond our understanding and explore the unknown. As it continues its journey through interstellar space, Explorer 1 stands as a beacon of our collective curiosity and humanity's drive to unravel the mysteries of the universe.